Hello everyone, welcome to my English lesson. My name's Dương Thị Thành. I'm a teacher at Bi Biển Trung Primary School, Tỉnh Biên District, An Giang Province. Xin chào tất cả các em, chào mừng các em đến với lớp học của cô ngày hôm nay. Cô tên là Dương Thị Thành, hiện đang công tác tại trường tiểu học Bi Biển Trung, huyện Tịnh Biên, tỉnh An Giang. Hôm nay cô rất vui được đồng hành cùng các em trong tiết học thứ 3 của bài 3 tiếng Anh Nam. Let's prepare something for our lesson. Book, notebook, pen, pencil, and remember, sit properly and keep a safe distance from your eyes to the computer screen or mobile phone. In the previous lesson, when you want to ask someone where they went on holiday, how do you ask? Good. Where did you go on holiday? And how do you answer? Yes, I went to Hạ Long Bay. I went to cùng với địa điểm mà các bạn đã đi. Trước khi vào bài học, chúng ta sẽ chơi một trò chơi để ôn lại cấu trúc này và một số mẫu câu có liên quan nhé. The name of the game is Mario Playing Golf. In this game, I will give you some pictures and some questions. You will look at the pictures to answer the questions or complete some sentences by choosing the correct answer A, B, or C to have Mario win the golf. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Now, look at the picture and answer my question. Where did you go on holiday? A. I went to school. B. I went to the Imperial City. Or C. I went to Hanoi. The correct answer is B. Excellent. Yay! Next one. Now look at the picture. How was the trip like? A. It was bad. B. I don't know. Or C. It was great. The answer is C. Excellent. Yay! Move on. Where were you last summer? Look at this. A. I was in Hạ Long Bay. B. I was in Phu Quoc Island. Or C. I was in Hue Imperial City. Well done. B is the answer. Yay! Move on. Now look at the picture. What did you do? A. I swam. B. I swim. Or C. I danced. The correct answer is A. Yay! Good job. Continue. What did you do on holiday? I went Hanoi. What's missing here? A. In. B. On. Or C. To. The correct answer is C. Very good. Yay! And the last one. Where you go on holiday? I went to Hanoi. What's missing here? A. Did. B. Do. Or C. Does. Yes, A is the answer. Yay! The game is over. Như vậy chúng ta vừa ôn lại được một số mẫu câu hỏi đáp bạn mình đã đi đâu vào kỳ nghỉ rồi phải không nào? Vậy khi mình muốn hỏi bạn đã đi đâu đó bằng phương tiện gì, mình sẽ hỏi và đáp lại như thế nào? Bài học hôm nay chúng mình sẽ cùng tìm hiểu nhé. Unit 3. Where did you go on holiday? Lesson 2. 1, 2, 3. Page 20. First, let's learn some vocabulary. Look at the picture. What is it? Yes, it's a train. Now, listen. Train, train, Train. Repeat. Good. What does it mean? Tàu hỏa. Next one. And here, what is it? Yes, it's a taxi. Now, listen. Taxi, taxi, taxi. Now, repeat. Good job. What does it mean? Xe taxi. Next one. And here, what is it? Yes, it's a motorbike. Now listen. Motorbike, motorbike, motorbike. Repeat. Excellent. In Vietnamese? Yes, xe máy. Move on. And here, what is it? Yes, it's an underground. Now, listen. Underground, underground, underground. Repeat. Good job. What does it mean? Tàu điện ngầm. Next one. And here, what is it? Yes, it's a bus. Now listen. Bus, bus, bus. Repeat. Good job. And Vietnamese? Yes. Xe buýt. Move on. And here, what is it? Well done. It's a coach. Now, listen. Coach, coach, coach. Repeat. Okay. What does it mean? Yes, xe khách. Now, listen and read after me again. Train, taxi, motorbike, underground, bus, coach. Now, let's check. Look at this. It's a train or a bus? Good job. A train. How about this? A taxi or a coach? Excellent. A taxi. And next one. A bicycle or a motorbike? Very good. A motorbike. Next one. How about this? Is an underground or a plane? Yes, it's an underground. How about this? Is a taxi or a bus? Well done, a bus. And the last one, a train or a coach? Yes, it's a coach. Now move to part 1. Look, listen, and repeat. Look at the screen. How many pictures are there? Yes, 4 pictures. And who are they? Good. Tony and Phong. And guess what are they talking about here? Yes, maybe they are talking about the means of transport. Now, listen to their conversation.
Hey, where did you go on holiday, Phong? I went to my hometown in Hoa Binh province.
B.
How did you get there? I went by coach.
C.
What about you, Tony? Where did you go? I went back to Australia.
D.
How did you get there? I went by plane.
Okay, nào bây giờ dựa vào đoạn hội thoại giữa bạn Tony và bạn Phong ở bức hình B. Khi bạn Tony muốn hỏi bạn Phong đã về quê bằng phương tiện gì và bạn Phong đã trả lời lại như thế nào? Now, listen again.
B.
How did you get there? I went by coach.
Okay, như vậy khi các bạn muốn hỏi bạn mình đã đi đâu đó bằng phương tiện gì, chúng ta sử dụng cấu trúc sau. How did you get there? I went by coach. I went by cộng với phương tiện mà các bạn đã đi. Now, listen and repeat. How did you get there? I went by coach. Cấu trúc này chúng ta dùng để hỏi và đáp bạn đã đi đâu đó bằng phương tiện gì? Move to part 2, point and say. Look at the picture and read after me. Train, taxi, motorbike, underground. Listen and repeat. How did you get there? I went by train. How did you get there? I went by taxi. How did you get there? I went by motorbike. How did you get there? I went by underground. Now, I ask and you answer. How did you get there?
I went by train.
Good. Next one. How did you get there?
I went by taxi.
Good job. Move on. How did you get there?
I went by motorbike.
Excellent. Last one. How did you get there?
I went by underground.
Good job. Now, chain row, you ask and I answer.
How did you get there?
I went by train.
How did you get there?
I went by taxi.
How did you get there?
I went by motorbike.
How did you get there?
I went by underground. Như vậy, chúng ta vừa thực hành xong mẫu câu hỏi đáp bạn đã đi đâu bằng phương tiện gì. Các bạn về nhà thực hành thêm mẫu câu này nhé. Now, next part. Part 3, let's talk. I have some questions for you. Where were you on holiday? How do you answer? Yes, I was in Hanoi. I was in cộng với nơi mà các bạn đã ở. Next one. Where did you go? I went to Hoàn Kim Lake. I went to cộng với địa điểm mà các bạn đã đi. And next one. How did you get there? How do you answer? I went by plane. I went by cộng với phương tiện mà các bạn đã đi. Chúng ta sẽ chơi một trò chơi để ôn lại những mẫu câu này nhé. Name of the game is Lucky Wheel. In this game, I have 6 questions and 6 pictures. You will look at the pictures to answer the questions to get points. Okay? Now, start with number 1. Look at the pictures and answer the question. Where were you on holiday? The answer is in Hạ Long Bay. Good job. And how many points for question 1? $60 points. Very good. And move on with question 2. Where did you go? The answer is I went to Central Island. Very good. Now let's spin. 80 points. Very high. And continue with question 3. How did you get there? The answer is I went by coach. Well done. And how many points for question 3? 40 points. Well done. And move on with question 4. Where were you on holiday? The answer is I was in Ho Chi Minh City. Very good. Now let's spin. 60 points for question 4 and next one with question 5. Where did you go? Your answer is I went to Suối Tiên Park. Well done. And how many points for question 5? Okay, 30 points. And the last one, number 6. How did you get there? The answer is I went by plane. Excellent. And how many points for question 6? 20 points. Very good. So the game's over. We had a great time, right? Now, continue our lesson with some homework. Open your workbook page 12 and do exercise B1. Look and complete. Now look at this. What is it? A bus. Good. And next one? A bike. Excellent. And next one? A motorbike. Very good. How about number 4 here? Yes, a taxi. How about number 5? A train. And the last one? Good job, an underground. Now look at the first picture. It's a bus, right? So, what's missing here? Very good. US, bus. Tương tự câu số 1. Các bạn nhìn hình và hoàn thành tên các phương tiện còn lại. 1 minute for you. Start. Okay, now let's check. Now number 2. Bike. Well done. Number 3. Motorbike. Excellent. Next one. Taxi. Good job. And number 5. Train. Very good. And the last one. Underground. Good job. Tương tự, các bạn về nhà làm bài tập B2 ở trang 13 nhé. So, we've finished Unit 3. Where did you go on holiday? Lesson 2, 1, 2, 3. Remember, learn by heart the vocabulary and the structure. Now, it's time for you to copy it out in your notebook. Okay. At home, remember, learn vocabulary and structure by heart. Do exercise B2 on page 13 and prepare next parts 4, 5, 6. Our lesson stops here. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye and see you next time.